Hello to all my friends out there. So I have a couple cornflake recipes. This is the one, and the other one is almost the same, except you dip your chicken in ranch dressing, and I got that for one of the followers. I have made this before, so I wanted to make this again. Okay, so I wrote it bigger. So I dipped my chicken in 1 egg white, 1 teaspoon water, 1 soy sauce, and then I had cornflakes, a half-eaten package of cornflakes, pepper, and garlic salt. I mean garlic powder. It says garlic salt, but I use powder. And then I have just some soy sauce, and I bought the cornflakes for $1. So, okay, so what I did is I put my cornflakes in a baggie with the seasoning. And so now life is going to be really, really easy for my low-carb meal. And the directions say to bake it 450 on tin foil. So that makes the cleanup really easy. And then, you know, it only takes about 20 minutes. That's even if it's a breast. So I will just keep the one cup looks about perfect for these little nuggets I made. So life is easy. Life is good. You know, you don't want to get my breasts I cut them up when they were a little bit frozen. And I made sure to cut them across the grain. So what could be easier? And you know, I want to make some easy recipes. Okay, so this is 1 breast, and now I'll just slip them in the oven and I will be back.